Hey everyone! In today's video, I wanted to show you how you can quickly format your articulate storyline characters using the format menu for the character tools. So you'll see that on this slide we have Sonny, or Sunny, I'm not sure how you pronounce her name, but if you select her and say you wanted to change her pose, all you have to do is go to the Format tab, or the Design tab of the Character Tools, and select Pose. And then your character poses will come up, and you can choose, say, we want this pose instead. You can also change whether you want the headshot, the torso, or the full shot. We want to stay with torso, so I'm just going to click Insert. And now your character's pose has been changed. That's how quickly you can change your character pose. Now you can also choose to crop from without going into the poses by selecting crop and then choosing headshot, full, or torso. Another cool thing that you can do is if you right click your character, say you decided, you know what, I really don't want Sunny, so I'm going to change character. And from that, you can select the character that you want to replace her with. So let's just take a look here. Say we want to replace her with Jeremy. We will select Jeremy and we can choose which pose we want Jeremy to have and insert. So once you have a character in there, it's very easy to swap either their pose in or out, their crop position in or out, or a different character altogether in or out, which is really great if you say you go through a whole project and let's look at story view here. See, we have Sunny everywhere. She's our main character that's in all of these poses. So if you decided that you wanted a little bit of variation, you could pick and choose which slides you wanted to change and then swap in characters in place of Sunny. So it's really great if you want to include characters as a placeholder and then adjust them later on.